Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral math question. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer whatever it will be, right or wrong. I will give you shortcut. Please comment to get this shortcut. So what we have 9 minus 9 divided by 9 multiply by 9. Okay. So we will use the lambda here to operate this. Lambda stands for parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So first we will do, again what we can see here, there are two operations, multiplication, division in the same criteria. So we have to operate from left to right. Okay, so we will rewrite here. We have to operate this 9 divided by 9, and when we operate we will get 1. So we will rewrite here 1 minus 9. Now this is very simple. 9 minus 1 minus 1. Now this operation will be done. 1 times 9 which equals to 9, and 9 minus 9 which equals to 0. So here 0 is the right answer. And if you're seniors, then must check out the best product list for seniors in the description. So like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.